why did this happen to me? Why did it happen now? Why such things happen? And spirituality wanted you to know will remain unknowable. To the why of your life alone, either there are no answers or there are no answers that will satisfy you. Why for us there is no child? What answer will satisfy? Okay, we explain through all medical technology, like this, like this, like this, like this. So because of this, I don't think you people can have a child. Oh, then we are satisfied. We don't want a child, you'll go? You will now from the doctor straight go to an astrologer and ask, what if I do, I'll still get a child? An astrologer looks at the whole thing and says, no, in this janma for you. The mistake happened when two of you got married itself. Now it cannot be prolonged. What would you do? Now you will go to somebody else who will give you one tayat, hoping that will change. Because to the why, you can't explain this why. This morning, some of you, when you woke up, you had no plans of coming for this program. You got drawn inside the program and you're sitting here. And somebody for 6 months has been planning to attend this program, is not inside the program right now. You cannot explain the why. You cannot. They are not ready for transformation. For you, the time has come. Transformation has become compulsory. The one who walked in today at 8 o'clock and the one who walks out today at 10 o'clock cannot be the same person. And I know what will happen to you in the next 2 hours. Okay, minus 10 minutes. In fact, spirituality says, if you want to be peaceful in life, give up the why. Inshallah. There is a factor beyond you and me that determines this game. You might be the king, you might be the queen, but remember, you are just another piece on the chessboard in the hands of a master who is playing the game. Even if you are the most powerful piece, that morning you didn't know today you will become prime minister. You go in there to be a finance minister, you come out as prime minister. What you are controlling? As prime minister of the country, you can't control anything. Somebody is playing the game. The world's greatest batsman is half an inch away from the ball and the bat. Little air will make it look like an in-swinger. He'll play for it, it will be out-swinger, and the wicket-keeper will take the catch. What why you are talking in terms of? Why did this happen to me? Why my hair is falling? Be grateful, brain hasn't fallen. Why?